Hey everybody, it's Karn from EdTech. Do you have problems with plagiarism in your classroom? Did you know that Google Classroom has an Originality Report built right in and it's free to all teachers? Let's take a look at this cool new tool. So this new Originality Report tool is available to all teachers and it can be used with any written assignment. The Originality Report checks students' work against all sorts of websites and web pages, along with a new feature that we're instituting this year. It'll actually check each student's work against other students' work in APS to see whether or not they have been plagiarizing. So here's how you get started. When you create a new assignment, you are simply going to call your assignment whatever you're calling it. And then over here on the right, you're going to turn on the check plagiarism. All right, that then is going to give you that originality or that plagiarism checker. So when you assign this assignment to students, here's what you're going to see, or here's what your students are going to see. So your students in Google Classroom are going to go to that assignment and they will see the new essay here. When they open that assignment up, they can create their assignment and do the work there. Notice here that it says Originality Reports are available. Let me show you what it looks like for a student. When the student does their assignment, before they turn their assignment in, they can run an Originality Report. Now, students can only run 3 of these reports for each assignment. You as a teacher can use the Originality Reports Unlimited. Once a student has run this Originality Report, right below their assignment, it will say View Originality Report. When they click on that, it opens their report and it shows them how many passages have been flagged, and then each of those passages is highlighted. When they click on the highlighted passage, you'll see it tells them what their passage says, what was found on the web, and exactly where that was found. If students click on that link, it will take them directly to where they plagiarized from, and it will show them exactly what it is. So here we see plagiarism, one of the main scourges of academic life. If we go back here, plagiarism, one of the main scourges of academic life. This gives students the opportunity to change that before they submit it. As a teacher, this is what you will see. As a teacher, when you go into their assignment and you open that assignment up, in their assignment, you will see that there are 5 flagged passages. If you click on that, it opens up that same report you can see, and it highlights in gray what's been plagiarized and what hasn't. It tells you exactly where that plagiarism came from so that you can share this information with students. Again, this is a great plagiarism tool to use with all essays and writing assignments in your classrooms. Hope you can make great use of this new tool and teach your students a little bit more about plagiarism and how to use this tool to catch themselves before they make a mistake. Thanks a lot and have a great school year. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Talk to you later.